Welcome back. So today we are at Monsal Trail. So we're going to try and tick off a few things along the way. There is a tunnel, as you can see here, which looks pretty cool. We're going to try and see where that is. There's Chee Dale Stepping Stones, and the other thing is, what's the other thing? The lime kiln works. It's like an abandoned lime kiln works, as it says on the tin. So we're going to try and find that as well. But we are at Millersdale car park. So there's the prices if you want to know. We've just paid for 4 hours because we don't know where we're going or what we're going to get up to, what we're going to see. So stick along with us. Here's my partner in crime as well.
Welcome back to the channel.
It is a cold one today. I think it's about 5 degrees. Ooh, so we'll have to hurry up and do this for your viewing pleasure so we can get in the warming at the pub somewhere. So the start of the Monsal Trail, or where we're starting it, is Millersdale. But it does say once the largest station on the Midland line. So there's the station. And just for reference, there is toilets. Don't know if they're open all year, but they are open as of now. So we just had a quick pit stop and now we're going to start. We need to go and find the entrance.
8.5 mile, Luke. You said it was 5k. It says 8.5 miles on there.
We're just going to do some a little bit. The Monsal Trail closed the train line in 1968. Wow. Millersdale was bigger than most stations in the large town. A milk train collected local milk from the Millersdale. Woo! You learn something new every day.
And a nice little
choo-choo there as well.
wooden train.
So we found a little, I don't know what it is. Let's have a look. We'll have a look.
Cool.
We'll certainly have a look. Oh, there's nobody in here. Oh.
It's like a hobbit's.
Oh, come with me, cameraman. Oh God. Oh. Jesus.
Yeah,
So
it's
what
slippery.
is this? Let's get me. Oh, let's get me.
Oh wow.
Can't really see in there, can you?
What is it?
Get in. Oh. 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 It smells like the aftermath of Pep's curry last night.
It stinks in here. Absolutely. Oh, what the fuck is that?
Oh, something on the ceiling.
Yeah, what is it?
I don't know. I'm
Oh,
not breathing.
spiders.
Oh, get out. But if anybody can tell us what this is, let us know.
The adventurous one.
Alright. Let's have a look up here, cameraman. Oh, we're there. Oh. So we found a ladder. I think it will hold my weight. Oh, what's up here? Oh!
Is it a roof?
No, I don't know what it is.
Is it just a roof?
No? Let's describe this to him. I don't know what this is. It's just a lot of weeds. But yeah, something else anyway. But yeah, let's get down here.
This is the lime kilns quarry. But what was this? So essentially, it burnt limestone to produce a byproduct, which is something oxide. And that was used in agriculture, building and steelworks. Now, cleverly, where this is placed, the Monsal Trail, which we're currently on, was the Midway railway train. So you could transport this product easily up and down the country, London, Manchester and alike. In its heyday in the 1800s, it was producing tons a day. Now though, a mere couple hundred years later, it is home to natural wildlife such as bats and also a few asbos who like to drink cans of White Lightning Stella in here. But let's get in even deeper into the lime kilns. Transported to Manchester, London from the Midway Trail. Oh, it's fucking footed.
Where can you get to though?
Nothing, that's it, yeah. It's really well kept.
Yeah. So we're at a bit of an impasse now. We have seen a sign saying Chee Dale, and we think the stepping stones are down that way. But we've also seen the tunnel,
The railway tunnel.
the railway tunnel. So we're a bit of a crossroads. And what do?
Tunnel.
Tunnel.
Always
Okay.
go for the tunnel.
Well, we can always come back this way and then go the stepping stones as well. But yeah, like Pep said, we're on the Monsal Trail. We're only doing a little bit of it. but we've seen that it starts all the way in Bakewell, and I think it's like a 30-kilometre loop. So potentially one day when we're back, when the weather's a bit nicer, because it's absolutely freezing at the moment. Yeah, but we can always come back and tick those off as well. So we're at the start of the Chee Dale Tunnel. Look how good this looks. I've seen horror films, and this never ends well. Echo! Just shows how much rain has come down, because it's absolutely sopping wet in here. We've seen a lot of cyclists on this route, so myself and Pep, probably next year now, will return to do the Monsal Trail on the bikes. So from Chee Dale all the way to Bakewell, and we'll finish with a Bakewell tart. I mean, you don't want to be filled in by the shaft, do you?
Just imagine a couple hundred years ago, this would have been a hustle and bustle train track, transporting this byproduct of burning limestone up and down the country, you know, helping agriculture, building, steelworks, right in this humble, quiet, tranquil tunnel in 2025. But it was a completely different picture of this 200 years ago. Chee Dale Tunnel number 1 complete. On the way to Chee Dale number 2 tunnel. It's a much shorter one.
What about, do you know this trail?
I've got no fucking idea, mate.
Yeah, nobody has.
It's a big long trail also, and I came here last year and did a bit of it, but it goes from...
This is what happens when you come to a location, you do no prior research. We're trying to find the stepping stones. We just asked somebody for locations, and he's going in the opposite direction to us. So, yeah, we'll see if we find them or not. Chee Dale. So we're on the right path, but none of us have got any signal on our phone, so we're just kind of guessing where this is. You're probably watching this video, and if you've done this trail before and you know where Chee Dale Stepping Stones is, you're probably looking at us going, why didn't those idiots just get off at the, you know, the right turning for Chee Dale Stepping Stones? Like I said, we did no prior research to come in. We just turn up, see what we can find, explore. But we are at the base of the river now, it looks. So hopefully we are getting closer. Thanks for opening the gate. So the path we have chose, it's saying it's likely to flood, and we have had record rainfall. Oh, do we attempt it? Should we just try it? Why not?
It's your car.
Nice barbed wire as well. So it did say it was likely to flood. Okay.
Oh, if you drop in there now.
Oh, great content, isn't it?
It's barbed wire.
Oh, this is it.
She just jumped it.
Yeah, you try it.
I'm almost certain at this point that we took the wrong turning, and there was a much easier way to get to the stepping stones. But what I would say is we chose the more scenic route. You know, going through the train tracks would have been much easier if it weren't for Joe. Oh my god, look at that, he's climbing down. It's still scenic, isn't it? That's what we do this for, the views.
Come on. Run.
That's not a stable bridge though. It's definitely the scenic view.
Oh, we're still not there yet, but that was horrific. So slippy. We're trying to follow the river. But I guarantee this is not the tourist way, and we should have took the other way. But we are on reasonable ground now, so hopefully we're not too far away.
Are we not supposed to get to Chee Dale Stepping Stones? Look at this. Okay, we've definitely taken the wrong route, but this is horrific. Oh yeah?
I mean, this isn't wheelchair friendly.
Yeah. Oh my word.
Hurrah! Ah, I'll get wet. Right, we have, after about half an hour of detours, we have found it. The Stepping Stones. We have seen people have already gone the other way that have done this, and they do say we do get wet at the end, so stay tuned, see if we fall in. Yeah, I can see what he means by our feet getting soaked. Oh. Oh. Right. Oh Lord. The things we do for YouTube, eh? Oh, oh sugar. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Go on there.
Oh, where? Well, no, I'm getting my feet wet. I ain't going on there.
Why go on there?
You go on there then?
You scared? Would you reckon on there?
Yeah. Just get across, mate. Oh, no, it's my turn. You are? Oh. Shiver. Oh, I'm gonna have to. Oh Jesus! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Jesus! Yes, my feet are wet. My feet are soaked. Jesus, wet. Oh, they weren't lying. Our feet are soaked.
Crazy.
Oh, the things we do for you.
Crazy.
Oh.
Okay, lesson learned. Make sure you're watching this video so you understand what not to do on the Monsal Trail. So, remember the tunnel, the first one, tunnel 2 there. If you look to the left here, just follow this path down and you reach the stepping stones. 5 minutes maximum. If you go on our original route, it's about an hour long walk, muddy, etc. Anyway, we've ticked off the stepping stones now. They're pretty good, to be fair. Touristy. Here's a little bit of a bonus on the trail. You can do abseiling. If you fancy dangling off a bridge, it is also very possible here. You must have a valid permit. Nah, not for me that.
Right, Monsal Trail, bits of, ticked off, done. So we're just ending it here outside the cafe. It does open from 10 o'clock on weekends. And Peppy's now tucking into the homemade scotch egg.
You know we love a visitor centre / a place where to get coffee and food. So I've had a lot of grief on previous videos about scotch eggs. This one is hard done inside.
Right, it's not a food review, it's the end,
And I must say,
it's the end of the video.
Peak District, you know how to do a scotch egg. Catch you at the next one.
Yeah, what he said. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Catch you at the next one.